Hello everybody, how are you today? I would like to show you new look of my gazebo or pergola, doesn't matter. It was yellow heaven, I show you sometime before. It still has some yellow roses, already third month in the row, very long blossoming period. I adore it. And have a look at the changing the color a little bit with the age. It's become lovely, lovely, lovely pink in pinkish spots, which make it just irresistible. Have a look. Still, these plants still have a lot of buds, so it's not going to stop blossoming. Thank you, plant. And have a look what happens from other side. It's very young clumping roses, tiny one. This plant is around 1 year old. I planted them last year at end of October, and for 1 year, have a look what I have. It's just 2 plants. Here is that one, first one, sitting in the soil, and that one is second one. That one. So it's growing very fast and very generous. Look. Today is lovely cloudy day. Tomorrow forecast is 32, so I decided to take pictures and videos. No one knows what happened after 32 with young plants. Maybe I will lose something. I hope no, but who knows. Thank you for watching. See you next time.